So tell me, what if the wheels? Tell me about the wheels. What do they do?
They just make you slide, and if you want to get back on track, you can go forward. You can just turn to the left.
Turn to the left?
Yeah, or right.
Well, make up your mind. Right or left?
Are we going to Mason's house?
Yep.
Yes, we are.
I can barely hear you with this. My ears are in here.
No, they're not.
Barely hear you.
Put a hole in it. I don't want now.
You're not eating it right now.
This already look icy. Look at it.
Yeah, 'cause it's cold enough and it was wet, right?
Yeah. Or either that or they're cleaning the... Is there a ramp there? Or yeah, it is. They're stuck. That guy's stuck. That guy's... I said my truck is stuck. Must be Pishti. What's up, buddy?
What?
You need a pull?
Safeway, right?
That's a Safeway truck. Pretty good.
Yes, it is.
Don't like the acceleration, but I've been driving it, okay. Somehow they did something to it. You can't accelerate it, which is stupid.
Oh, it restricts you?
Yep.
Wow.
It's almost like
It fills the road,
it's almost,
maybe. The
almost
tires.
like it's governing you, you know, like your RPM. That's just dumb. So for that, we're gonna sell it.
Okay.
Buy another one.
Amen, brother.
Amen.
Amen to that. Okay. Yes, sir. Yeah, I am. I'm done with it. I'm not. I mean, I
gonna have
like
to change the
one.
windshield. I can't
Right.
just do that. Gonna have to put a new one.
Mhm.
Buff it up, clean it, let somebody else deal with it.
And this would have been a good time to sell it too.
Still is.
Okay. I think that we shall do that.
Oh, this guy's coming backwards.
Oh my word!
What
So
are
is
they
the other
doing?
one.
Both of these
What
guys.
is going on?
They're going the wrong direction.
What is going on?
What? 2 cars, not just one. What is wrong with them?
Wow! Were you videotaping it?
Yes,
Yes.
that is crazy.
That was nuts.
And where are they
Oh
gonna
my
go?
God.
I mean, I'm
Oh,
like,
are they stuck over here? Be careful. Something is going on, maybe.
yeah,
Wow.
car's
That's
stuck.
why they're turning around, honey. That's what it is.
Do we
They
have
didn't
to
want
go
to be
there?
stuck here.
What?
Yeah, how far can you go that
Still,
way?
yeah. Well, a whole exit to get on 13. Well, we could go to 16, babe.
Yep.
Gee, Merry Christmas. Yep, they are stuck.
Use a token. Man, there's done for. This tow cables on Jeeps.
Okay.
This was
This
to be
4x4
our exit.
and the guy with the semi
What?
truck. I don't think
Wow,
he's going anywhere.
they're not. Look at him. He's the one that started it. I
No,
think. No?
no.
Wow, look at
The,
this
the
guy.
ramp was still open.
Yikes.
Those people are just...
Look. Oh my word. He's feeling strong and tough. Look. Okay,
Ah!
good. Wow, that was really smart. Be
Oh yeah,
careful.
baby. Oh, at least he's getting out. He's gonna do
Like,
it
look,
again.
I'm gonna do it again. Look what I can do. Yeah, smart, dude. Oh my.
Yeah, he was happy that he came out.
Right.
It's like,
He looks
nope,
up.
I'm getting out of here.
Higher
they're
up looks
blocking it.
fine.
But blocking it?
The cars are blocking it. They're stuck, honey.
Well, this guy looks like he's planning on going, but
Me too.
maybe not today.
He's like, I'm out of here. See, this is
Well,
what
that semi truck is backing up. Oh my! So he's gonna go for it. Not that. He's going backwards
Yeah,
himself.
he's gonna go. He's gonna turn around in the
Yeah.
freeway.
Where are you gonna go? That's
Yeah,
the
What is he
question.
done? They're just.
They're like scaredy
Oh
cats.
my goodness, that is funny.
Just
We're
don't-
going nowhere. We're just stuck.
Okay, so the semi truck is coming back, but also he's the one blocking this road.
Right.
Then go further.
You can't go in there, honey. You cannot go this way. You can turn
I
around.
know that. I'm not turning around. Where am I gonna go?
Right.
I'm going to the next exit. Maybe that one might be open.
Hopefully it's open, yeah.
Well, this guy is still gonna try and make it.
The semi?
Yeah.
Come on. Hit the gas. Hit the gas. Hit the gas.
Maybe not. Oh, it's Skyline. I know those guys.
You do?
Yeah.
You can do it.
I see him in Ohio all the time.
Look at this guy is trying. Look.
Is he gonna go?
Yeah, he's gonna go.
He's stuck. No.
Yeah.
And he's gone. Woohoo!
Can we do that?
Babe, be careful. There's cars behind you.
Wow. Everyone's trying to get through.
I don't know
They
if
try
we
to
can
get
make
where
it
they're
through there.
You think so? I don't know.
With more speed, I could have.
Babe, let's not do it. We got kids.
Yeah. And I am
No, you're not. You are not a kid. You're not. I bet you the next one is so.
Yeah, but so that's in my truck is down there. But okay, wow, look at the new building there.
Yeah.
Oh man, that's what these people were turning around. Look.
Should stay closed.
No, it's like, look, all the traffic there is done. That's what they turned around. Okay, now we're gonna be another person turning backwards.
Wow. This is ridiculous. We might be just. Babe. Very careful, sweetheart. Jeez, look at that person walking. Unbelievable. That's kind of scary and stupid. Wow.
Yeah, that's the dumbest idea
Ever. What's going on with this guy?
Oh, this guy's looks like all the cars are backing up.
So that guy could get out.
And that way
maybe.
he came back up.
Okay, be careful. There's a truck backing up in front of this guy sitting still.
We
You think the truck is just moving out of the way?
He's getting out that way.
Okay,
Not that he's gonna do anything.
just till
because
he doesn't block
He
the
probably does.
ramp.
Yeah, he's blocking the ramp.
Wow.
good job, man.
This is ridiculous. This is gonna end up in a bad thing. Everybody turning back and forth on the freeway.
Yeah, back and forth. Oh, he's so.
I'm just gonna get out of the way.
I agree, sir. I agree, sir. Oh my God.
Today.
Get out of here.
Just gonna get behind this guys. She had enough. Ain't gonna fix that. It's not gonna fix anything.
Wow.
See that? All those semi trucks.
Yeah.
And look, that ramp was completely jammed.
Wow, babe.
Nobody's going anywhere.
This is nuts.
And they're not.
This is unbelievable.
Nobody's getting out of this one. Look. They're stuck in there. All that ramp was done. I mean, I can only assume going down that ramp was probably done too. Huh.
Yeah. Wait.